Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. This has been the absolute craziest probably month and a half of my life in a long time. Things have been happening. So my buddy Austin, you know him quite well. Yeah, well, he moved. He packed up. Him and his fiance, they're heading out to California. He's going to a metal fab school, so let's all wish him well in the comments down below. What do you say? So he will be missed, working in the shop here, or the garage, whatever you want to call this mess. But yeah, like I said, let's wish him well. He's gonna go out there, he's gonna learn a lot of cool stuff, maybe come back, we don't know. We'll see how it works out. On top of that, quit my job. Yep, 11 and a half years at that place, and I just had enough. Had to get out of there. Too much drama. Did find a new job, started there. I won't mention any names of where I'm going, where I've been, but just want to say, new job, good deal, everything's working out great. People there I work with are awesome, and couldn't be happier. So that's kind of why the channel's been on a little bit of a delay getting things done. Just trying to get everything sorted out, get life back together, set up plans for the future. Getting into this video, as you all know, the United States has been blanketed in a heat wave.
This morning, a deadly and relentless heat wave.
Just look at how much it is baking from New Orleans at hovering around 150
new high temperature records.
And it's been about 5,000 degrees outside. So we jumped on the internet because inside of that Jeep, it gets really hot. So honestly, when I saw this project come across my screen, I was like the guy, the what, no way guy. We've all seen him.
What? No way.
Yeah, that guy. And I mean, seriously, let's give it a shot. Let's see how this thing works. What do you say? So I ran down to Ace. I picked this up. Yep, plain old gutter guard. Cost me under $5. So if this works, it's going to be kind of nice because you can leave the windows down a little bit in the back. You get some nice cross ventilation through there. It's not going to be like, you know, major temperature changes inside the vehicle, but at night I can leave the windows down a little bit with these in, keep some bugs out, cross ventilation, keep it kind of cool in there. And like when I got stuck in the last camping video, we had that huge storm roll through and I wound up having to sleep inside the Jeep because there was a ton of lightning. But that would have helped out big time because it got a little toasty in there that night. And if I could leave them down a little bit, I know, it's probably gonna let water in. That's its job. But I can come up with something. The windows are down a little bit. You get a breeze, you know what I'm saying? That's where we're going with all this. So this will work for the Jeep Cherokees because the back doors, the windows on them are nice and square. Now I guess you could, if you had a Dodge Ram maybe, if you're doing something in this, you could maybe get it to fit. It's just got a little curve down here at the end, but you can trim it out, I'm sure. This might work on any vehicle, really, if you just trim this panel down to fit correctly. But right now, we're just doing the Jeep Cherokee because, you know, that's what I run. But I went ahead, I already measured the back window, and you can cut this down anywhere from 15.5 to 15 5/8, somewhere in between. It just depends on how good you want it to fit. 15.5 is going to give you just a little bit of clearance on each end, just in case this thing goes sour and doesn't fit at all. So you can do your little final trims later, but let's go ahead and get started. We're going to cut this thing down. I'm going to do just a hair over 15.5, and then we can trim it down from there. So I got my trusty little workbench here for now. I got to put these together later. So let's go ahead and measure this out. If this works, this is going to be crazy for, you know, under $5. Can't beat it. So we'll go right about there. So now the cool thing is, if this works, there is plenty to do both back windows. So unless you screw it up and you cut too much. But like I said, for under $5, this one sheet will do both back windows on a Jeep Cherokee. Alright, so theoretically, this little track groove should go right on the window. Put that up and we're good to go. Let's see how it works. Holy crap, look at that. It actually works. You gotta be kidding me. So I can cut it a little bit longer over here. But it's good because I've got play over here. I can just push this over and it'll clear that. I'll just trim this little edge off down here. So on the next one I do, I'll just make it a little longer up here in the top. But I mean, come on. You have to be kidding me. Alright, so on this one we'll go just a little bit longer. And this thing should fit good. So let's go right there. Alright, like I said, we will put some hot glue along the edges just to help keep that from coming apart, but it is glued all the way around. So let's go throw this one in there. Come on, how simple. And they're pretty sturdy because it goes up into here, so you don't have to worry about it. I mean, you could probably drive with these things like this. It's crazy. All right, so I'm glad I did this today because for once, finally, it's not raining. Thank God we got that. Kind of helped things out. But it is windy today, so I can tell you, sitting inside this little hot box here, I mean, I know it's on camera, but I can feel the breeze blowing in and out. Like I said, the camera ain't gonna show you, you know, all that, but literally I can feel the breeze blowing through. So these things will allow a pretty decent amount of air to come through. So, I mean, what do you know? The internet it actually is true for once. It worked. I'm kind of shocked. As far as color options go, when I went to Ace, they only had it in white. So if you want black or brown or whoever, I'm sure you can probably paint them if they don't have them in the color you want. But yeah, I'm shocked that for an internet joke, I thought it actually worked. I'm surprised. But it is still hot in here. Don't get me wrong. But it'll help out a little bit. Well, I mean, there you have it. Internet test theory actually worked out. Now, yes, they will let rain in. That's its job. Water in, rocks, dirt, bugs out. So if you're going to use this in a rainstorm, probably wouldn't do it. If you're looking for quick, simple ventilation for your rig, I mean, under $5 you can have that set up. I don't know, I might get rattle can of black, paint them black just so that they blend in with the windows. As far as privacy and security, yeah, it'll keep people from seeing it, I guess, because it's got the little grating. As far as security goes, hell no, you can push those things right out and get right into your vehicle. So, if you're going out camping, I recommend them. If you're using it, parking at a Walmart or a Target or any big box store like that, and you're going to be like leaving the thing all day, I wouldn't do it. because you might come out and your whole rig's gone. As for all the other projects going on, we got the truck all buffed out. She's looking real good. One step closer to getting this thing wrapped up and finished. I do have to check into, I'm gonna have to get a whole new impact bar and some of the plastic works that go around the edges, so we can get the front end of this thing straightened out, because whoever stole it, they hit something with it and just jammed that whole thing in, and it was rubbing on the tire. But we're gonna get that buttoned up, get this thing roadworthy, and then probably we're gonna cut her loose. Everything else that's going on, you saw I got the wheels and tires here, Crown Vic rims off the cop cars, and then we've got the center caps. So if you have been following along, I bought a new project car, and here it is. Now my goal for this thing, I came across the rims and tires super cheap, so I picked them up. The tires on it are junk. I was gonna get new ones. Then I started digging around on the internet a little bit more, and I found out that Mustang Cobra wheels will fit on it. And they'll fit because we've got these adapters. I had to get these to get the cop car wheels to fit, because with that thing being an 02, everything was different. But the wheel adapters they're spacers and not adapters, but the spacers will push off the wheels for the offset for the back spacing. I can get these to fit, but I'm really thinking about doing the Cobra wheels on it because I want it to look cool. I did tint the windows on it, because when I got it, it looked like this, and I'm not a fan of driving around a vehicle with no window tint. It's just you just bake in them. And on top of that, we got exhaust parts, because why not? You know, got new H pipe and new passenger side, actually no, that's the driver's side tailpipe, because this one did come with the factory Y pipe and the single exhaust, and you know, we can't just leave things alone and drive them. We have to modify them, so we're going to convert it and put in the factory dual exhaust setup. Haven't decided on a muffler. I've narrowed it down to a few. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna go with the same muffler I put on this, which is the Borla Pro XS muffler, because this truck sounds amazing. And I think putting those mufflers on the Mustang motor Grand Marquis, I think it'll sound pretty cool. So, I don't know. I got some cleaning up to do around here. It's pretty messy. And yeah, I gotta reorganize this place. It's getting a mess. But you guys, as always, appreciate y'all watching. I really do. Let's keep pushing this channel forward. Keep sharing it. Spread the word. We're growing like crazy, and I couldn't be happier. And honestly, it wouldn't be possible without you guys watching. So I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.